Hey folks, this is Basant here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I have created a personal web app for the productivity tracker using the Greta app without any coding skills. So first of all, let me show you the steps what I am going to use. I use the chat GPT to get the prompt for my detailed web app for this productivity app which I want to create, and after that I have just copied this prompt, get to the Greta and entered here, and boom, it has just generated that app for me. So without wasting any more time, let me show you all the steps, the prompt I have used, and what are the things I have just or the steps I have just followed to creating this app within just a few hours here. So let me get started. So first, what I suggest, go to the chat GPT or the any other popular AI model, ask what kind of the app you want to generate and give a detailed prompt for that. Like me, I have done here, I want to create a web app using a AI builder, so generate a detailed prompt for web app idea. Here's my idea: an advanced productivity tracker with timer which will help to stay focused to work, and where I can also add my to-do task with the date, and for this task I got the alerts on my emails and the WhatsApp. So also create an integration to this in the easy step. So this is the I have just given my idea, and here's it has generated detailed prompt. So what I have done, I have just simply copied this detailed prompt here. You can see I have just the detailed all the stuff I have copied. Get back to the Greta. First of all, let me tell you, you need the advanced plan for the Greta, because in the free plan you will only got the around the 100 credits, and that will not be sufficient. So what I suggest, get is the upgraded plan. So for that upgraded plan, what I suggest, go to the app sumo, because there's the lifetime deal available for the Greta here. Okay, so let me go to the app sumo and show you where you can find out that the lifetime deal. What I suggest, you can also check out the description, there I have added a detailed link to get started on this lifetime deal here. Okay, so this is the Greta lifetime deal available starting from the $59, and look at the reviews, more than 100 plus reviews, and I have also created detailed overview tutorials and the step by step on the Greta. You can find the link in here on the I button, or you can also check out the description, or I will pin the links in the comment here. Let's back to the Greta app, and let me paste the prompt I have just added. And simply what you can do, you can also add the images or the references if you have available, that can make it more easy to understand its AI, which kind of the app or the user interface in that features you are looking for. I don't have that. Let's click here on the build. Now it will start building the app for you, and you will be amazed how fast it is creating this app. So right now you can see this is the timing. Right now the timing is the 9:14, and it is start working on the live screen. You can see it to coding for you. Okay, so it will take some time, around the 3 to 5 minutes to depending on the task you have given, but we will get the our web app within just few minutes. That is the definitely 100% correct I am showing you right now here. Okay, my code generation is completed, and you can see I have just given the prompt on the 9:14, and it is right now is the 9:22. So it took around the 7 or the 8 minutes, but no worries, because my preview is now generating here. You can see installing packages using npm install. So that is the important file to give you the previews here. So while generating, what I found, there's also the first time it has generated, but I got the preview build field, so it has automatically find out what is the issue and then fix that issue. So all this stuff will be the automatically done. You don't have to do a single thing here. So right now it can take few more seconds to building the preview, so we have to wait a little bit more few seconds here. Yeah, you can see my preview is ready here. You can see here. So let me maximize the screen, and here's the my preview. So what I have to do first, I have to sign up. So simply click here on this sign up. Here you have to enter your details, like I'm going to add my name, the email address, the password I want to use. Okay, again confirm the password, and let's click here on the create account. Yeah, account is created successfully. Click here on the sign in. Let me close this one, save, and let me use click here on the sign in. And yeah, let's see if I able to sign in or not. Sign in. Okay, this is the issue right now I'm facing. It is not getting ahead or go to the next dashboard step. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to simply minimize it. Okay, close this one, and after that let's click try again. No, so I have to click here on this one, that is the selecting the element. So I will select this element, and now I have to just give the prompt here that I am not able to sign in and go to dashboard. Okay, so this is the issue right now I am facing. So simply I have just selected the element and given the prompt and click here on the enter here. So now it is going to see what is actually getting this issue, and then it will remove that issue. So next time I will easily going to log in here. So basically this is the how you can also find out the issues, use its AI to fix them as well here. So while it is fixing this issue, let me give you also few walkthroughs of these two important options. You can see the first one, we have the GitHub. So all the codes it is going to generate, you can directly push to your GitHub account, and next time you can just back to load on the different Greta account, or you can host them in your own hosting. So that is the first advantage what I liked here in the Greta. You have the your secure files stored in the GitHub account. Next one, we have the Supabase. So with the Supabase you can just connect your database integration with the single one click, because you need, if I have added the like the stuff like login, these login details were going to be the stored, so that's where you can use the Supabase. So right now these two integrations is absolutely free. With a single click you can integrate. Or there's the another one option that I found really good. If you don't want to push the code on your GitHub accounts, you can directly download here using this download button here. So that is also a good option available. And there's also this option available, that is the deploy. So once your app is ready, you want to deploy on the hosting. So right now you don't know how to do that, or you don't even need the hosting, because this is the direct deploy option available with the Netlify. Simply once your app will be the ready, like me, I am going to soon the ready this web app, and then I will click here on the deploy. This web app will be the published on the Netlify hosting, and I will able to use that. So right now my this I think signing problem will be the solved here, you can see. And now again preview is building, so let's wait for a few seconds and see this time the app is working or not. Okay, new updated preview is ready, and this time I am directly logged in again. So let me maximize the screen and show you up. So this is a dashboard of my app here. First of all, the user interface is so much amazing and good to look here. Okay, then we have, this is the focus timer. Let me start this one, and here you can see this is based on the Pomodoro. So simply click here and my timer will be the start working out. There's also the dark mode available, and this is the notification section available. Then this is the task where I can add the task. So simply let me see if I will able to add the task or not. This is the add task option available. Yes, I can add this task here. Okay, so let me close this one right now. Let me minimize the screen, close this one. Yeah, then this is the analytics, and this is the settings. In the settings, let's see if there is the email notification. Yeah, this is the email notification, this is the WhatsApp notification available, and this is the timer alerts. So let's see if there's the integration available or not. I have added that integration. Let's see, let me see, let me go to the settings here, and okay, right now there is the no integration option available. So I have to click here on the save settings. It is saved although, but there is the no integration section or the thing is available. So right now what I will do again, I have to go to the settings here again, and simply click on this select element, and simply I have to select this element here. Okay, and close, maximize, sorry, minimize, and after that set up integration with email and WhatsApp. Okay, so I have given the prompt, click enter, and now it will going to set up or create the integration method for you in your dashboard. So that's how step by step you are going to use Greta AI, find the issues, create the app for working 100% for you. And if there will be anything else or the any extra features you want, you can just give it the prompt here by selecting the element. This is going to give the command that in this section I want that feature. Okay, so right now my integration is going to be the setup soon. I will show you out, but till then we have to wait again. So working is done here. Let me go to settings and see if this time we have the integration available or not. Yeah, let's see here. So this is for the my email address notification, and you can see this time we have this option available, test email notification, please enter your email. So I will enter my email like this one. Let's click here on the test. Although I want the integration, but that option is not available. I think I have to give the command or the prompt in the more detail here. So the user interface is ready for that, but I need to build the integration more precisely here. So that's how the Greta can help you out. I have to still do a lot more little bit prompt entering and make the feature fully functional here, but we have the my focused app built right now here. Okay, so this is the focus trap pro I have built using the Greta.ai, and you can also build it. So let me show you how you are going to deploy this app that you have just built here. So you can see this is the deploy button. Simply click here, and now it will be going to create a hosting to fully functional feature anywhere with a single link. You can see this is just given me a single link here. I have to copy the link, open any tab. Okay, this is not the link. I have to copy the link here, get back to the any tab, paste the link, and now this app will be opened on any browser here and working. Okay, so like I said, it's focus timer, task and analytics, everything is working fine. I have to still do a little bit improvement on its integration with the email and the WhatsApp, but that is the no big task. I have to simply ask the Greta.ai and that will be done automatically, but I have to give the prompt in the detail here. So that's how you can also use the Greta to build the apps, landing pages. You can see this is the just a dashboard I have created using, but what if I can also able to use the landing page with this sign up and this sign in button, and with all the guide and the documentation. I can also do that. I have to just simply give it a prompt like generate a landing page for this web app for me, and it will generate. So the tool is really powerful, so much amazing things available. Its AI is so much capable that you don't need to do single coding at all your manually. So if you want to check it out, the Greta, the link will be given in the description. If I talk about its pricing, it is starting from the $59, but it is not going to give you the custom domain or the Stripe integration and other features access as well. So what I suggest, go with at least the tier 2 plan, because here you will get the much more extra credits compared to the tier 1 and all the features access. So the link will be given in the description, and you can also check out the previous videos on the Greta, like the overview, the tutorial and the stuff kind of that. So that's all. If you enjoyed this video and the tutorial, make sure to hit the like button and stay subscribed this channel to update it. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.